I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your work. Back up the files and database so you can recover instantly if needed. Once done, switch to a default theme or deactivate the active theme in the admin panel to stop theme assets loading. Make sure to enable maintenance mode and temporarily pause caching or performance plugins to prevent cached assets from masking changes. These actions let you remove the theme safely, while keeping the site stable and avoiding broken layouts during the process. You now remove the theme files methodically. Connect with FTP/SFTP or your host file manager, navigate to the themes directory, and identify the exact theme and any child themes. Once identified, delete the theme folder plus leftover assets like images, custom CSS, and JS to avoid orphan files. After deletion, clear server and site caches and rebuild any CSS/JS bundles so the site loads fresh assets. Also, confirm file permissions are correct to prevent new errors. You finish by checking every page, menu, and widget to reassign items that reference the removed theme. Ensure styles fall back to the default. If the layout breaks or critical errors appear, restore the backup immediately and retrace steps. Make sure to inspect server error logs and browser console for 404s or PHP errors. This single troubleshooting tip helps you locate missing assets or incompatible code quickly. Once resolved, disable maintenance mode and monitor the site for a few hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.